My name is Oluwaseun Adefolarin. I'm a National Key Account Manager at Coca-Cola Hellenic and currently pursuing my doctorate degree in Business Administration at Trident University. I opted for a DBA degree because I wanted to deepen my knowledge in business administration and strengthen the value and increase the value I can add to my current organization. The deliberate choice of online education for me was because of the flexibility that it offers me. So I'm able to juggle my personal life, my work life, and also my pursuit of furthering my education. So this flexibility that online education offered me at Trident University was the reason why I chose to do my degree there. Trident community extends beyond networking. Being a global institution, it has diverse perspective from learners, fellow learners like me, and an established faculty. Having this varied perspective, varied insight from different parts of the world increases my knowledge of business fundamentals. The most important skills that I've learned from my doctorate degree at Trident University has been strategic decision making and advanced analytical thinking. This has strengthened the value that I'm able to add in my current role in Coca-Cola Hellenic. After my doctorate degree with Trident University, I hope to advance in the corporate ladder. Ultimately, my career goal is to become a general manager in a multinational FMCG organization. And this is step in the right direction. A big thank you to the Destiny Edu team for the 90% grant because this alleviated my financial burden, enabling me to continue with my doctorate degree program. So navigating all of this requires commitment to time management. So it's not really easy to juggle your personal life, your professional life, while still pursuing academics. However, being on top of your time management, being on top of your schedules, and knowing how to cut out irrelevancies from this your day to day has been the way I've been juggling all of my priorities. My advice would be to just go for it because advancement in your personal development is very important. Also, the flexibility of online studying makes it relatively easier to juggle your personal life, your professional life, and also your academic pursuits. People that will benefit from a DBA are people who are one committed to their self-development, have ambitious career aspirations, and want to develop their skill sets within business.